All right, there's a Fred Jeep. Fred, what is this Jeep?
It's a 2002 Wrangler Sport.
2002 Road Turd Junior.
It's a road turd.
It's a dirt turd.
Jeep road turd.
Dirt turd.
Oh, I got it. Right
It's
now.
a dirt turd.
Sure you want to cut this thing open?
Yeah.
It's just a Jeep. It's not worth anything.
So we're going to go here, here, and here, and there.
So Fred has a problem with overheating because he actually put this in the dirt and used it,
Now the question
and
is,
it gets hot.
do we have a blanket to put over here so the sparks don't...
It's not going to matter, Fred. It's a Jeep.
I don't really care if it blows up, but...
I mean, I got a towel we can put in there, but we're just going to catch the towel on fire?
I don't have a problem with that.
I mean, I guess I could wet it down.
How about a cardboard box?
We could put a wet towel.
no,
We
no,
could put a
no.
wet towel on there.
How about a wet blanket?
You got this. Tape.
Where's the tape?
Tape.
Well, you got to make sure you're staying off that middle rib, right?
No, this yeah.
That's some bad tape. It already tore.
Tape.
Now I want you to know that we're making precision adjustments and measurements here.
Fred, we want to make this look decent.
Fred, is this original paint?
We don't want to embarrass ourselves.
Is this original paint, Fred?
Yes, it makes it worth more.
This is original paint job, right?
Well, you got those Tatro lights up there. There's Tatro lights up there.
Oh, yeah.
Bright. They light up everything. Is that the right size?
That is the right size.
Is it in the right spot?
It's close enough for government work.
Well, you better double check that when you pick it up. Make sure it doesn't cut
for the
through
government anymore.
Make sure it doesn't go through the hole there. Are we cutting on the inside or outside of
We're
that?
going to cut the outside. We're going to cut right from here inside this square.
Outside that square?
It's not straight, is it?
Yeah, you better make sure. You should have cleaned the dirt off before you put the tape down, Fred.
No, it's not.
It's not that important.
This crap.
It's crap.
Straight coming back? No, it's
No.
not.
It looks perfectly straight to me, and I don't care.
Is that straight?
We went the other way.
Fred's got a fancy Jeep here.
Yeah, cut the inside.
How come it's so loaded down the back? You got a bunch of golf clubs in here?
I got a bunch of stuff.
Ooh, look at that. Precision. Fred's important stuff he puts on there. There's the only thing that really matters, see? What else do we got? Ooh, Harley Davidson. Fancy. And a flag. Gotta have a flag.
All right, I'll explain. Hey, come back here, take it. All right.
Ooh, look at that CB one.
So all the dirt and everything on the tire. So I'm out.
What's the Sergeant Junior all about?
No, that's Senior Chief Steve.
Oh, Fred's watching. Fred, where's your safety glasses? Don't worry about it. It's a windshield.
You might go the other way.
Go the other way. Luke, go the other way.
Throws everything. I really like that.
Yeah, but it's gonna. It actually does hurt the glass. When you put the spark shield where it belongs, it works.
So
You cut through the line. You put that 1/8 inch back. Put that 1/8 inch back. You went past. What is that? It's a D-Wall X something. What's that, an X what? X20? X2?
It's a cutoff. It's called the
XR? What is that, a 2 or an R?
XR.
XR, okay. I'm gonna get behind the window. I'm behind the safety glass. See, you like that?
there we go. It'd be a hole. It'd be a hole. perfect.
But
There
keep
she
that.
is.
But to keep that, I might glue it back on.
Just in case we need to weld it back in.
You know, if you put a hinge on that, you could
Yeah,
flip
we
it
can
up and
just have
down.
like a hinge like this, so you actually scoop.
Just put the hinge in the front and just flip up and down as you need it.
That's it. All right, well, I'll hang on to that. Well, maybe that's what I'll do. I think I'm just
Don't bend the hood there,
gonna
sir.
put louvers on this thing.
Louvers.
Louvers.
It's gonna make it faster.
This is the louver, Fred. All you do is put a hinge on it.
Drag
You
louvers.
put a hinge on it. I'm waiting for these to go right the side of the
I
window.
guess we might see if we started a fire under the hood yet.
It's not smoking yet.
Well,
All right.
Did you put the other hole? Did you put the other piece on top? See if it's the same size?
Doesn't matter.
this is the most fun I've had all day.
Turn shit up.
Sitting on your ass at the show wasn't fun?
I mean, this is just great stuff.
There weren't even any good technical. There were not even.
Hey, when was the
any
last
good
time you get a
tires.
cut
There was
of?
no TNA there.
No,
Let's
no,
just say
no
that.
tires
That
and
was a sausage
accessories
fest.
there. No tires.
When's the last time you had fun doing this?
That's it. Moving it. And the last hole.
Let's make it a break. Going for it. Oh, it didn't quite make it.
All right. So, in case you're wondering
What?
why we cut two big holes in the hood of my Jeep,
Because it was too heavy?
hot.
The lightning it.
I went up to, I'm down in Death Valley, 200 feet below sea level. But people want to go up into the mountains, and so I'm driving on gravel, just dirt roads.
You drive this on gravel and dirt? Aren't you afraid of being stuck?
I'm driving up into the mountains, and the freaking thing keeps overheating. I mean, literally, I had a rock in the hood to keep it from overheating, so I need to get airflow. And
That'd be called a rock under the hood holding it up in the air, not through the hood. You gotta clarify that.
I'll just throw some aftermarket hood louvers on top of these, and we'll be all set.
Those don't look like they're equal to me.
Well, it was. It's gonna be covered by a hood scoop case.
The thing is,
They look
the right
absolutely-
side one has more heat over there. That's why it's bigger. It's hotter on that side.
Considering I'm drinking
Well, that
some
worked
decent
great.
whiskey, I think that looks
cut right
that
through.
looks.
So
absolutely
don't do
splendid.
this after you drank a half a quart of whiskey because you have different decision making.
That was pretty close, Fred. I ain't gonna lie.
close.
For just eyeballing it, it ain't bad. This one could
Okay.
be slightly
Well, you
wider.
could have, yeah,
I know he didn't follow the line. He overcut it. I saw it.
perfect. That's-
Okay, pop the hood up, Fred. Let's see what
I mean,
happens.
look at the rest of the Jeep. I mean, am I going to really hurt the?
Yes, the value has gone up, not down. Oh, this thing's heavy.
It's such a classic, man.
That's not fiberglass. Fred, I can't see it when you put the hook back on it. I'm trying to see.
Oh, you want to see inside?
I want to see the fire. You said it's going to burn it under here.
Oh yeah, no fire.
Oh, it's not burning. Oh, jeez.
There was some smoke coming.
Yeah. No, the heat's on that side of the
That was
motor.
just dirt.
Just dirt.
Just dust.
The dust
Off
and
the
dirt.
hood, a little.
Now look, see how precision that is? See, if you went another 1/8 inch more, you would have cut the sticker.
I don't want to cut the
Precision.
sticker.
Right. Yeah.
Would have cut the sticker.
We
so-
knew that. Yeah, that was definitely planned.
We planned
Yeah.
so we didn't
That was
mess up my
planned.
smog sticker.
Yeah, we didn't want to cut the sticker. I saw
Let
that.
me grind the edges off that so it doesn't have sharp edges real fast.
He'll do it later.
2 seconds.
Don't worry about it.
I got
Hold
it.
it up.
I got it.
Don't worry about it. Fred will never put his fingers inside them holes. You'd actually have to clean the vehicle to do that.
It's pretty nasty, isn't it?
Oh, there goes the window. Oh, he cut the sticker there? Oh, you got next
Cut
to
my
it.
finger too.
You just cut it?
That's why he's supposed
Yep,
to
it's
go.
bleeding already.
Oh shit.
Let me see the blood. Look at that. Look at that blood. He already touched
You know what?
it.
I'll put a band-aid on it here.
That looks like a Band-Aid. 3M Band-Aid. You bleed easy. You got blood thinners in your system?
No, I don't take any blood thinners.
Maybe you should take thickeners because it's bleeding. He's bleeding like a stuffed pig now. He touched that sticker.
Oh, you shouldn't have done it.
Good job, Fred. That looks nice.
He's just showing off all his tools, right?
That's right, he's
I got
showing
the
off.
tools to do this for you.
He's showing off.
Showing off.
Hitting me way back here. I think I'm too close. Well, that 20-mile breeze might have something to do with it.
And cold.
Yeah, it is cooling off. It is winter time. I'm sure the breeze has something to do with it. He's working dangerous, Fred. So how much are you going to sell this for now that you damaged the vehicle?
I'm selling it, man.
You're not selling it.
This thing's, I'm putting this in my damn,
Put it in your will? You going to bury it in it?
put it in my trailer.
Get them pants up in the air. We don't look at your butt.
We don't need no butt crack going on here. One of his SEMA tools.
Oh, he got the deburring tool I use.
The deburring tool from SEMA.
He finally got the right tool, the deburring tool. Yeah, we can't see that deburring tool while you're using it. It's hiding it. Your hand's hiding the tool. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice tool.
SEMA.
Where'd you get that from?
SEMA.
Oh. Who told you about it?
Tater tot.
I don't know who that is.
Oh, yeah.
The machine. I tape the machine.
You gotta do the butt side too, but do it from top. There you go. Now you're getting the right tools. Oh, look at that burr coming off there.
That's a little easier than the grinder.
That's so much
It's way better in a grinder because that actually cuts.
so much better.
Fred, don't cut yourself.
What, again?
Yes. You're at a bad angle. He has a better angle with that, Fred.
They close it and we'll cut it from the top too.
That's so much better, Fred.
That looks so square.
That's because that leaves a radiused edge.
That's right.
There's a nice radius edge there. Let me make a focus on this part I want to see. There we go. Carbide them. There you go. That's a fancy tool there. There you go, sir.
I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm like, where the fucking holes?
What was I doing? What was I thinking?
Come from?
What was I thinking?
What am I doing?
So you're gonna test it out tomorrow and see if it works?
Of course.
Get some feedback. Look at those chips coming off of there. Those are big chips.
Death Valley and get it. Quit the government. It'd be good.
There's big things going on in Freddie's life.
Yeah, I'm living the dream.
Fred got fired by Musk or Tusk. What's his name?
Musk.
Musk. He got fired.
I'm a Doge firey, man.
Doge fiery.
Quitty.
Doge got him.
Quitty.
It's either go to work or not play the mountains anymore on duty. So he's quitting.
So I can go have better fun.
Here we go, Fred.
It's interfering with your off-road hours.
Perfect.
I like it.
Throw some lubers on that.
There you go. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
You can have this for another
You
band-aid
too.
in case you wear out the other one. How's it working? Still bleeding?
Oh no.
I got
He killed
I got some
himself.
house feet in it.
He did his number.
2002 Wrangler Sport Cruise Control AC.
AC.
2.5 inch lift, 1 inch body.
Is it warmer with the doors on it in the mountains than without?
It is definitely warmer.
Leave the doors on in the mountains. It gets
I did one
cold.
time. I took the damn doors off, went out running. I thought I was being cool.
He was being cold is what he was being.
I was being extremely cool.
He's being really cold is what he was being doing. All right, we'll let you know how it worked.